Hello family, how you doing? This is Aislee with Hustle Dads and Family Legacy Club coming to you again with a new project alert. All right. And so this video here, guys, you're going to want to stay to the end of the video because I'm going to have some good bonuses and some things I'm going to share with you in this video, and also take advantage of a promotion that is going on right now in regards to this video. So just bear with me. There's a little gnat flying around here trying to get it, but we're going to keep this video going, keep it live, keep it fresh, and make it happen. All right, so let's jump into this. But before we actually do, let me go over the house rules. All right, as you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. All right, you got to do your own due diligence. Never put any money in any platform, investment opportunity, or whatever that you cannot afford. That means do not put in the house or rent money, the bill money, the baby money, this money, the college fund, all of that in any platform, all right, or opportunity. All right, only risk what you can afford. Assess your own risk levels. As you guys know, this is for information, entertainment purposes only. All right, education as well. So you guys know that I'm just a dad, a guy here on YouTube in the metaverse, showing you not only how we grow crypto, but also our other online and offline assets, whether that's real estate opportunity, whether it's business or income opportunities, you name it. All right, and today we're going to share our opportunity and show our journey in this opportunity. So we're just documenting our journey, showing you how we do it, and you can kind of figure out from there what you want to do. All right, and how you can do it or get involved with some opportunities that could put cash in your pocket. So you guys know me. I like to get involved in stuff that I can get out of the red into the black fairly quickly, and also opportunities that will pay for itself. All right, so if you all been in this space recently, the past couple of years, it's been very active when it comes to the space of learning how to trade. And so you have a lot of companies that are education-based type platforms. One real popular one out there is the iMarkets Live. And so if you heard of that company, there are other companies that have come and gone in this space. Some of them are network marketing models, some of them are not, but they're companies where you can learn how to trade, whether you want to trade forex, whether you want to trade cryptocurrencies, trade traditional stocks, or just learning how to trade and invest and make money or leverage is very key with trading. So you guys know that follow me, my background as far as in investing comes from the single family real estate. All right, and I'm going through the ups and downs, and I've learned that skill, and that skill is a skill I have for life, knowing how to get into properties with little or no money down. I'm going through the ups and the downs. The real estate market is something that we're going to talk about in some of the other videos, and a good point of entry and some of the guerrilla marketing tactics that I like to use in regards to finding off-market deals. But when it comes now to the trading provides a whole different opportunity as far as asset class. Both, real estate, trading stocks and bonds, and there's a difference in trading and actually also investing in long-term and earning dividends. And so in this video right here, we're not going to get into the details of the differences of any of that. I'm actually going to go right into sharing one of the newest opportunities or platforms that we've come across in trading, and we reviewed a good bit different platforms. And this one here, I'm calling the IPC killer. So if you all are on here and you followed or seen any of my first videos that had a lot of views, anytime you mention the word IPC came about and blew up. And what IPC offered, which was Intellectual Prime Capital, is the company had a AI or trading bot that we got involved. It lasted a few months, and we made some money during that time and got a little lucky because we got out, was able to get out, where a lot of people, still, and to this day, a friend of mine, still have money tied into it. And we have a little bit of money tied into it, but not, we got our original capital out of the red into the black and made some profit on that. And so IPC was boasting about a 1.5% return a day. So like if you had $1,000 in IPC, you're talking about making $10 a day, $10 to $15 a day on $1,000. So you ramp that up to $10,000, you're talking about $100 to $150 a day. It's good money on a daily basis over a course of a month. That basically was about a 30%. They boasted a 45% return, but you got mainly about a 30% return on that. So a $10,000 in an account would have gave you about $3,000 a month. $1,000 would have gave you about 300. Good returns, incredible returns. However, they got a 20% cut of that. The amount on a monthly basis, if you had a $10,000, let's say $1,000 account, and it generated at $300, they in turn got about $60 of that, $60 a month. You add that up over the course of a year. It's a good income, good return for them to provide that service. Well, I ran across something that, I say is the IPC killer, is because there's just the difference in IPC. They charge a one-time fee subscription. This is a monthly subscription, but the money you get to make, there's no commission, no 20% off of this. All right. So in essence, I'd rather pay actually that monthly fee, that flat fee, and not have to worry about a percentage. So if I have a couple of $1,000, I'm use that $10,000 in the account and able to make that 30%, $3,000 a month, I wouldn't have to give 20% of that, which would be $600 a month for this. Number two, this is not network marketing. So they do have a referral program. You get referrals, which I love because, again, that break even. And there's only 2 people or 2 subscriptions you referral to for you to hit that mark in the break even. However, if you're not into recruiting, there's nothing wrong with that. I love opportunities where there's incentives to invite and bring other people. That's great because I like to share the wealth. However, I am not into chasing friends and family and dragging anyone to make any money. All right. Don't get it twisted at all. I love you, want to help you, but I don't have time to drag. They say it's easier to run with 1,000 than to drag one. And believe me, I'll be out here running with this 1,000 than trying to drag one person across this finish line. Been there, done that. It's a wrap. No. So with that being the case, the whole key that I love about this is that you can put yourself in a position to earn $100 to $300 a day. And that's just a general number to give if someone has an account, that has anywhere from like $500 to $1,000 that they're using to trade with. But you can start this with as little as $50 in an account and trade. All right. So here comes the best part, most beautiful part about this. All right. And I'm talking to you guys, and I need to actually go to the website here, tell you a little bit about it. And it's GOBE TRADEHOUSE. Go be great. All right. I'm gonna put the link and the information down here and in the bottom. But what I love and why I call this the IPC killer. So a lot of these trading academy, the educational, the subscription you're paying for is the education, but there are other services and things they also provide. So they also provide is copy trade. So you have investors that have trades that you can copy the trades, put it in, and have the MetaTrader 4, have your own separate account, which is not put into, if you followed IPC, not put it in the IPC's trading account. You use one of these third-party trading platforms that's on here that's connected to IPC. So your money is in an account with one of the brokers that are more trustworthy than like IPC, which was shady from the beginning. And so beautiful thing. That's another service you can copy and trade. So while you're learning, you get to copy and trade, copy some of the trades, put them in, and earn money while you're learning. Now, here's the real key to some of you guys, because some of you, I already know how this works. You're lazy. That's just the bottom line. You won't get money without doing shit. Nothing. All right? I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's the people want something for nothing out there. All right. And this is like the next best thing, because that's what made IPC so popular, because you didn't even have to learn how to trade IPC. You didn't have to have a clue of any of that stuff in IPC. And so now with the AI bots and stuff, this has software, a bot that you get to download and let it trade for you. Customize the settings, and it's just not locked in like IPC was. You can modify a little the settings on what's recommended so that you can take advantage of the auto trading. That's for you all that don't have the time, which is a nice way of saying you're lazy. All right, that's just it. Boils down to it, and that's okay. I'm lazy at times too. Don't get me wrong. I have a work ethic that's pretty strong that kind of separates me from a lot of people, but I have my moments where I don't feel like doing nothing. And on those days, I still want to get paid. I want to get paid when I sleep. And if that appeals to you as well, then you want to stick around and take advantage of, some bonus. Hit the link below so that, you can check it out on the page. Contact me, my contact information, to send me a text. I'll send you some basic information and how you can take advantage of one of the promotions so that you can get involved, get signed up for very inexpensive. So there are two different basically subscriptions, $99 a month. $149 gives you the bot or the software so that you can auto copy the trades for you. So usually about 90%, most people, that's what they want, the $149. Get that. It's well worth it. I'm going to share with you how you can get involved in that much cheaper if you hurry now and take advantage of that, so that you can get the discount. But regardless of that, in 30 days, it doesn't take long to set this up in a few hours. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few things here on the website. So when you come here, you're going to have the link here. You're going to watch this video. The video is going to break it down to you. It's not that long. I think it's maybe 7 minutes, no more than 12 minutes long. Shorter than this video I'm doing right here, but I'm excited. So that's why I'm sharing a lot of this information here. This is the Autobot trade signals that I was sharing with you, 90% plus accuracy, all right? Which in IPC, what was fishy about IPC really didn't lose anything, which made me think it was fake, all right? They were faking, and this is not IPC. Let me let you guys know that, first of all. It's not IPC. The money that you put in, you get to put in your third-party brokerage account so that they don't have access to your capital or your funds here at GOBE. All right, so it's in your account. GOBE 2.0 Trading Academy, that's what you want to sign up for. The copycat signal copier, this hands-free trading experience, this is what you want. If you want to hardly do it, get it set up, set it and forget it, like them infomercial commercials back in the day, set it and forget it. That's what's it. Now, if you like me and you're kind of crazy, I'm a little crazy, meaning that I want to learn something too, just in case something about, I want it done for me. So I'll have some money in an account that's just strictly auto trading, but I'm gonna have some money in an account that I am copying the signals and learning at the same time. And so I'm gonna carry you guys through this journey, and I'm show you a little bit on the back end that you get to learn. All right, they have fast start training. I'm talking about hundreds, a couple of 160 something, 100 and something, different videos in the modules. And they're not just all videos. Some documents, some information or whatever. How to set up your copy signal, the bot, basic copy and paste profit basics, beginner forex, intermediate forex, advanced forex, strategy, affiliate training, receiving commissions. And that's a whole nother level of income. You're able to make a couple of thousand dollars a month just off some basic referrals. And that's not chasing people. You don't have to chase people in regards to that. If you start making some money, other people are going to be attracted to that. You want to start making some money, find out what you're doing. And it's a very simple process to refer some people. So I'm going to share that with you. Let's see here. Let me log in over here. Let me show you a few things. We talked about the copycat signal copier software. The bot is basically a mirror bot. Went over that. You trade when you sleep with that. This is just some graphic or images. Now here is something real key. And I wonder if I can zoom in on this so you guys can see this a little better. Don't worry about it. You'll see it when you go to the page, or I'll send you some information. I'll actually send you this file. But this just shows what the power of compounding, and this is what we did to double our account when we were in IPC. And this is just showing, starting with as little as $50 with a 0.05 lot size. You're going to learn what lot size is. You're going to learn what pips are, percentage in points, whether it's 10 pips or 20 pips, or you're earning 5 pips on a trade. On this example here, pretty good, 20 pips, estimated profit $10. Your account is $60. You trade again with the $60, increasing a little bit on the lot size after every trade. And let's say you did 1 trade a day. This $50 account in 17 days can build up, with this example here, to $1,000. All right. Now this is no income promise. This video here is not a presentation to promise claims or stuff like that. All right. Disclaimer: results gonna vary per person, depending on what you do. All that yada yada yada, all of that. All right. So this is just an example that what could be possible with mixing all this together right. All right. I'm pretty excited because I know what we're going to start count with for the copy and paste trade. And there's some gold and some other commodities, some other types of trades that you can do, because it's just not forex. Forex is the main thing, but there's crypto and indexes and a lot of different things, and that you get to learn a part of the education. All right. So that's cool. I'm already connected and getting the trades already after just signing up shortly, not too long ago, a few days ago. But I want to get this video out to you guys so that you guys can take a look at it. I'm going to be looking for just basically about 10 people initially that I'm going to put some incentives or some bonuses together. So if that's you, like I said, contact me below, click on the link below and reach out to me, and I'll send that to you. Other than that, guys, this is the IPC killer. If you were in IPC, know anybody that was in IPC that want to get those automatic bot trading income that we were getting on a daily basis. They look good as that account was growing, and something a lot better that you have more control over. You got to take a look at this. You just got to. All right. Again, it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Check out the information for yourself and go from there. All right, guys. That being the case, this is Aislee with Hustle Dads and Family Legacy Club. Do me a huge favor. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well if you want to get updates, or especially when I have time-sensitive information that needs to get out. You definitely want to hit the notification bell. All right. Take care. Good night.